unprecedented wave of heat and really harsh temperatures. And moving further on, we had floods that we had never seen before.
Feed prices have gone up recently, and there have been 3 successive dry periods in Kenya.
Cost of milk production only is also higher compared to other countries.
Feeding has also become a major challenge because these farmers, they usually go out grazing, and then these lands are not really conserved.
And in the aftermath of these floods, we have now different diseases that are going out of control.
The farmers, first of all, they need a quality semen for better genetics.
Robbery system where animals go grazing and most of the times they do not come back home.
And also transitioning, so like methane reduction, greenhouse gas reduction, it would be in place in addition of the existing input price.
The main challenge in Armenia, it is a low productivity level, which is, I can say that this is related mainly improper farm management practices in Armenia.
Most farms are between 1 to 3 cows per farm, and you can imagine how inefficient such farms will be.
Farmers are having low competitiveness from the standpoint of income.
So they have to make a lot of change, firstly in mind and then in the place.
The low productivity can be characterized by the low level of the technology inclusion in the farm as well.
Just start investing more in the technology in dairy farming. But on the other side, as other countries may also have this problem, we have an increasing age of farmers.
And of course, all this can be due to the problem of the access to finance.
Is the labor availability or lack of labor?
If business is not going well, the young people prefer other type of prospects.
And a lot of young people who are leaving the dairy farming and are not interested in engaging.
Obviously, the second generation of these dairy farmers are not interested to maintain the business.
Expertise and knowledge that has been adjusted to local conditions. I mean, there is knowledge that is worldwide general, but you need to adjust in order to apply advices.
Best solution will be to make sure that these household farms get the proper education, and then for the commercial sector, they have to make sure that whatever policies they are making, they have a sound commercial logic behind them.
The government understand that food security will demand more animal source supply.
Because we are lacking cooling facilities and stuff, so milk has to be boiled sometimes 3 times. When this happens to you can see that it degrades the nutritional quality of milk.
Private sector and mainly processors can improve on quality by insisting on the right quality from the collection.
They only have a simple demand that we just need milk that is healthy and that is free of different contaminants and antibacterial and antimicrobial residues.
For us, it's more important the origin of the product than the certification of the product. So as long as it is coming from our farmers, we perceive it as a high nutrition product.
Processors also facing challenges not to get milk over the year in the same amount from the same farmer.
But of course, it will be better if we, as farmers, as national producers, could fulfill more of this demand.
So future dairy farmers, I think they need to have a private market-oriented goal.
I mean, how do we solve to increase quality of management or whatever in the dairy unit?
Increasing the value chain of milk and giving certain identity to these farms.
Dairy farmers are the only one and the best partner they have, because they are the owners of the cows.
That the countries where dairy is growing are the ones where the producers are more satisfied by the business